How to full service your Audi A4. Locate the oil drain plug on the engine and remove it. Then, drain the old oil from the engine using a suitable oil drain plug and container. Replace the oil filter with a new one. Refill the engine with fresh oil. It's time to perform the air filter and cabin filter change. Locate the air filter housing and remove the old filter. Replace it with a new filter. To change the cabin filter, locate the cabin filter housing and remove the old filter. Replace it with a new filter. Find the fuel filter. Remove the old fuel filter. Attach the new fuel filter. Once you have finished performing the full service, check your car's fluids and levels, and make sure that everything is in good working order. In conclusion, full service is an important part of car maintenance, and it helps to keep your Audi car running smoothly. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car is in good working order. For years to come, thanks for watching.